Some weeks, you just go with the flow. I have no meal plan, but I have plenty of leftovers from last weekend's block party. Over fermented kimchi, rice, and a fridge full of veggies? You know where this is going.
I don't have any more sausages.
There's only one answer. Fried rice it is.
You can eat the fried rice.
I'm throwing in some leftover picanha from the party. This smoked Brazilian steak is our go-to for barbecue. It looks like I need a bigger pan.
Yeah?
And because kimchi and jalapenos aren't spicy enough, I'm topping it off with a drizzle of chili oil. Our fridge wasn't the only thing piling up with leftovers, so was the laundry. Now let me show you how I make my homemade chili oil. It's a game changer that upgrades almost everything we eat. My hubby and I love spicy food, but our kids aren't there yet. So this chili oil is perfect for adding heat afterward. The only downside, I drizzle it on everything and it shows up on my waistline. Now I'm turning my last 2 slices of bread into sandwiches. The bread is a bit stale, so I'm reviving them with a splash of water and some low heat in the air fryer.
What's up?
It worked like a charm. Leftovers are handled, laundry's almost tackled, and we're one step closer to a fresh start.